Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the XP Pen no signal problem. First, check all cables. Unplug every cable from your tablet and your computer. This includes the USB cable, the HDMI or DisplayPort cable, and the power cable if your model has one. Wait about 10 seconds, then plug everything back in firmly. Make sure the video cable is connected directly to your computer and not through a hub or adapter if possible. Next, check the power. Many XP Pen display tablets need extra power. If your tablet uses a power adapter, make sure it is plugged into a working outlet. If it uses a USB cable for power, try a different USB port on your computer. Use a port on the back of a desktop computer if you can, because those are usually stronger. After that, check your display settings. On Windows, right-click on the desktop and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click Detect. If the tablet appears, set it to extend or duplicate the display. Next, update or reinstall the XP Pen driver. Go to the official XP Pen website and download the latest driver for your tablet model and your operating system. Uninstall the old driver first, restart. If none of these steps work, contact XP Pen support with your model number and system details. Thanks for watching.